In the vast and untamed wilderness of Africa, a creature of unique and somewhat eerie elegance thrives, the Marabou stork, often referred to as the Undertaker bird. With its distinct appearance and scavenger lifestyle, this is the story of the Undertaker bird. The Marabou stork, scientifically known as Leptoptilus crumenifer, is instantly recognizable by its bald head, long legs, and featherless neck pouch. With an intense, piercing gaze, the Marabou stork appears to be the embodiment of nature's cleanup crew. These imposing birds play a critical role in their ecosystems, scavenging carrion and waste, which helps prevent the spread of disease.